Page 41, thirds. This is the line of music in the middle of the page. They're talking about an interval of a third. I already explained how to count intervals. You got two notes, and you simply count up, starting with the note you're on. That's 1. 1, 2, 3. Another way of looking at thirds is it's every other note. These are all thirds. Between the notes is a third. All thirds. In the music, it's easy to recognize a third because they're all on lines or they're all on spaces. So look at the first two notes here. It's a C and an E. It's a third. Both of them are on a line. Well, then look at the next two notes. It's a D and an F. They're thirds, but each one is in a space. And that's, when you see the music, you'll recognize thirds very quickly. It's really easy on thirds. That's about all I had to say about thirds, because I explained intervals a couple videos ago. You can go watch those. The video on page 40, the first video for page 40, when I talk about melodic intervals, we can talk about those. So, I'd like to, again, we need practice of playing these. Make sure you can say the names of all these notes, and you can eventually play it without looking at the keyboard, and then play it with me to make sure you got the right notes and the right rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. Go ahead and put your hand in C positions, both hands. Now let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, go.